Hello students, how are you? Today we will going to learn the matter and solubility chapter part 3. Let's start. Solutions and solubility. Liquids have the unique property of making solution with solids. For example, sugar with water or liquids. For example, honey with milk. When we dissolve a solid in a liquid, we get a solution. Like this. Solvent plus solute is equal to solution. You see, solvent is the liquid, solute is either liquid or solid, and mixing together we get a solution. Now you see, the liquid in which the matter is dissolved is called the solvent, that is this one. Next, the matter that gets dissolved in a liquid is called a solute, like this. What happens when we add sugar to water? The sugar get mixed with the water and gives us a sweet taste. So here is the formula: sugar plus water equal to sugar solution, and salt plus water equal to salt solution. Here sugar and salts are the solute and solvent is water. Now you see, water plus sugar is equal to sugar solution. Okay students, now interesting fact is gold dissolves in aqua regia, which is a yellow solution, like this. This is the yellow solution where you see the gold is dissolving. Soluble and insoluble substances. We have so many kind of matters which do not solve in the solvents. Let's see. When a substance dissolves completely in water or any solvent, the substance is said to be soluble in water, like salt, sugar. Substances that do not get dissolved in water are said to be insoluble in water, like wood, plastic, oil, sand, etc. Wood, plastic and oil float on the surface of water. Sand or any rock, if you mix it with the water, it settles at the bottom of the water container. In either way, they do not mix with the water. Some floats and some settles down in the bottom of the water container. Next, solubility. The ability of a substance to dissolve in a liquid is called the solubility. Means, when you are mixing the salt or sugar, they have the property called solubility. That is why they are able to mix with the water. Next, standard solution. When you keep adding sugar to a water, a stage will come when no more sugar will dissolve in water. The solution at this stage is said to be saturated and is called a saturated solution, and you cannot mix more solute now in this solution. Okay, water and other solvent. Water is known as the universal solvent because it dissolves many substances. Other than water, the other solvent such as kerosene, petrol or turpentine oil dissolve oil paint, grease and tar. Artists use turpentine oil to clean their paint brushes. A cloth soaked in petrol can be used to remove the grease stains from the clothes. Now let us look at the glossary. Dissolve here means to mix with a liquid and become a part of it. Saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. Turpentine, a strong smelling colorless oil used for thinning the paint. Grease, a thick oily substance used to help the engines of the vehicles work smoothly. And lastly, tar, a thick black sticky liquid used for making the road, as you can see the pictures. Okay students, I hope you have all understood. Okay, so we will meet you in the next class. Bye bye.